Welcome back, everyone. We were so lucky over the past couple of days because we got a break from the humidity, and yes, it was warm each afternoon, but at least not very humid. Well, sadly, that is over. The humidity is back for today as those winds are coming from the south and southwest and eventually the southeast for this afternoon, and it is going to be hotter for this afternoon. So if you're outside today, please do take it easy and drink lots and lots of water. We've seen mostly clear skies. Now, it was pretty nice earlier this morning with temperatures in the upper 60s in the lower valley, some lower 70s out west, but today we are back to the upper 90s, especially for the mid and upper valley. Right now, we're in the upper 80s out east in Port Isabel, Harlingen, Raymondville, and Brownsville. We're in the lower 90s here in the mid valley and mid 90s out west in Rio Grande City. Your day planner forecast, mostly sunny but hot and humid at 3 p.m. with temperatures in the upper 90s. We should be in the mid 90s at 6 p.m. Mostly sunny skies and still humid. And then we're looking at mostly clear skies at 9 o'clock this evening with temperatures in the lower 80s. The weekend forecast, the temperature should be back in the mid 90s both days. We're calling for mostly sunny skies on Saturday, then partly sunny skies on Sunday. Still very warm with a 10% chance of a shower as that sea breeze tries to get going for the second half of the weekend. Until then, we're looking at pretty much dry conditions for today into Thursday and Friday. We are tracking the tropics here at Channel 5. Here is Hurricane Jose, a Category 1 hurricane, a minimal Category 1 hurricane with maximum winds of 75 miles per hour. It is moving to the southeast at 7 miles an hour. At least for the next few days, it should stay over open Atlantic waters. The Hurricane Center expects Jose to complete that loop, moving back toward the northwest, then weakening to a tropical storm by this weekend, then moving back toward the northeast. That forecast cone places it anywhere between Bermuda and just off the east coast of the U.S. Well, back home in the U.S., this is the upper level map. This is about 18,000 feet in altitude. I'm showing you this because we've got those winds coming from the north and northwest at the upper levels. That's on the backside of Irma's remnants, still soaking parts of the southeast. So because those winds aloft are coming from the north and northwest, that's a very dry, stable flow. So as that stable air mass sinks, as the stable air sinks here in the valley, that air compresses and warms it. That's why the temperatures will soar for today as well as for tomorrow and Friday. There's a key word, hot. High temperatures in the upper 90s to triple digits for today into tomorrow as well as Friday. And the rain chances are pretty much close to zero thanks to the stable air mass. Now, as its sea breeze starts to fire up or tries to get going on Sunday and Monday, we may have a very slight chance of some showers or a thunderstorm in the afternoon. The key word is slight. High pressure aloft. The stable air mass continues to control our weather for the most part into at least the start of next week. On the water, we'll have winds out of the south to southeast at 10 to 15 knots. The bay waters are moderate chop. Your next tide is a low tide at 3:22 this afternoon, and the seas are 2 to 4 feet. Rip current risk remains high. Your forecast for today, try to stay cool out there, stay hydrated, mostly sunny with high temperatures in the upper 90s. There are your winds out of the south to southeast at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Then for tonight, it's mainly clear, mild, but humid with low temperatures in the lower 70s. And here's that 7-day forecast. The heat continues with highs in the upper 90s tomorrow, triple digits on Friday, and mostly sunny. We'll call it mostly sunny for Saturday with highs in the mid 90s. And then we'll put in just a 10% chance of a shower for your Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, thanks to the sea breeze, otherwise partly sunny. And the morning lows remain in the mid 70s into the weekend. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. We shall be back after this.